Succulents are easy to grow, but indoors, there are just a few. From them, discover the names of 18 best indoor succulents that can be great houseplants. Zebra cactus. Zebra cactus is known for its stunning leaves that boast horizontal white stripes. Just like zebra, it can be an excellent tabletop accent piece. Aloe vera. Medicinal value aside, aloe vera is also a great indoor plant. It can thrive easily in low light settings and doesn't mind low humidity as it prefers dry air. Snake plant. The snake plant is the best low-maintenance plant in this list, and it is well-deserved. It survives in low light, tolerates drought and dry air, and doesn't mind neglect. String of bananas. A trailing succulent for your hanging baskets and macrame pots, known for its tiny banana-like leaves. Lace aloe. This rosette-forming aloe is so exotic, it deserves a place in your succulent collection. Its compact size and not minding indirect light nature makes it a part of this list. Jade plant. If you're looking for an indoor plant that doesn't need attention, grow a jade plant now. Plus, it brings fortune and money, according to Feng Shui. Devil's backbone. Prized for its unique zigzag pattern stems and variegated foliage, the devil's backbone is a tall succulent and creates quite a statement. Gasteria. A miniature aloe-like succulent, Gasteria makes an interesting houseplant. You can grow it in do-it-yourself pots, teacups, and bowls. Mother of Millions. Mother of Millions is a beautiful succulent houseplant from the Kalanchoe genus. Considered as a weed outdoors, it's super easy to grow indoors. Tiger tooth aloe. Tiger tooth aloe is one of the most beautiful aloe varieties for containers. It prefers hot growing conditions. Grow it in a warm spot indoors that receives partial sun. Sedum spurium. Also known as dragon's blood. This plant looks best when it starts to spill from the pot. To grow indoors, select a south-facing window. Lifesaver cactus. Lifesaver cactus is a succulent. This plant grows deep green in low light and a little reddish in full sun. It's known for its unique, beautiful flowers. Crown of thorns. If you're looking for the best flowering succulents, Crown of thorns is one of them. While it can grow in low light, sunlight makes it bloom profusely. Hens-and-Chicks. The Hens-and-Chicks are interesting succulents to add in your plant collection. They like low watering and soil on a drier side. Ponytail palm. Ponytail palm is not a palm but a succulent. It tops the list of large houseplants. Due to low watering needs and penchant for indirect light, it grows well indoors. Pencil cactus. Pencil cactus is all the rage from the last few years. This popular succulent is low maintenance, but beware, being a euphorbia, its sap is toxic. Kalanchoe. The Kalanchoe genus has some amazing houseplants. You can grow Kalanchoe blossfeldiana, Kalanchoe tomentosa, and Kalanchoe pumila indoors. Moon cactus. Moon cactus can be an interesting addition to your home office desk. This colorful grafted cactus comes in many colors.